Welcome back to the class of probability, sir. Now let us see the next model in probability, that is committee formation problems. Committee formation problems. First question, sir. A committee of 4 persons is to be appointed from 3 officers of production department, comma 4 officers of purchase department, two officers of sales department, and one chartered accountant. One chartered accountant. Find the probability of forming the committee in the following manner. First one, there must be one from each department. There must be one from each department. Second question, it should have at least one from purchase department. The chartered accountant must be in the committee. The chartered accountant must be in the committee. So these are the 3 questions I have in this problem. Let us see. Production department, purchase department, sales department, and a CA, and it is total. Production department 3, purchase department 4, sales department 2, CA 1, total 7, 9, 10. Total 10 persons are there. Now first let us calculate the total number of cases. For total number of cases, I am not interested. The candidate is from which department. My concentration is on the total number of persons available. So let us see total number of cases. 4 persons can be selected. 4 persons can be selected from 10. In 10 see 4 ways. 4 persons can be selected from 10 in 10C 4 ways. In 10C 4 ways. Now let us go for favorable cases, sir. First question. There must be one from each department. So production department is having 3 persons. One person can be selected from 3 in 3C1 ways. One person from production department can be selected in 3C1 ways. One person can be selected from purchase department in 4C1 ways. One person we have to select from sales department and one from chartered accountant. So there must be an into sign. Production department and purchase department and sales department and C. So these are the favorable cases. Probability is equal to 3C1 into 4C1 into 2C1 into 1C1 divided by 10C. Divided by 10C. Okay? Note. Now see, 10C4 can be written as 10C6. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Numerical difference is 4. That is, the numerical difference of 10 and 6 is 4. So in the numerator, starting with the 10, you write 4 numbers in decreasing order. So 8 cancel, 3 will go 3 times, 210. Total number of cases are 210. 3 into 4 into 2 into 1 divided by 210. 3 fours are 12, 12 into 2, 24 divided by 210. 24 divided by 210. 24 divided by 210. This is 0.1142. 0.1142. Depending upon the options, you can leave it this way or you can take up this way also. Okay, this is simplified, sir. Now note down the solution. Now, let us see the second question. Probability of purchase department greater than or equal to 1. There must be at least one from purchase department means, look at this method 1. You take purchase department here, others here, remaining all merged here. Purchase department is having 4, others are having 6. So this is 1 and 3, otherwise 2 and 2, otherwise 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Now look at this. One officer from purchase department 4C1 into 3 from 6, 6C3 plus 2 from purchase 4C2 into 6C2 plus 4C3 into 6C1. This way you have to simplify 4C1 into 6C3 plus 4C2 into 6C2. 4C1 can also be written as 4C3 into 6C3. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So 4C1 can also be written as 4C3 plus 4C2 into 6C4 plus 4C3 into 6C5. 6C1 can also be written as 6C5. 4 and 3 numerical difference is 1. 6 and 3 numerical difference is 3. So starting with 6. Starting with 6, you write 3 numbers in decreasing order in the numerator. And in the denominator, starting with 1, you write 3 numbers in increasing order. Plus 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2. Multiplied with 6 into 5 divided by 1 into 2. 6 and 4, numerical difference is 2. Numerical difference is 2. Plus 4 into 6. 6 cancel. 4 into 15. 60. 2 will go 2 times. 2 will go 3 times. 6 into 15, 90. And this is 24. 150, 174. So, required probability is equal to favorable cases divided by total number of cases. 174 divided by 210. 174 divided by 210. 174 divided by 210. 0.82, 0.8285, approximated to 0.83. This is the answer to the given question. Now let us see the third question. The chartered accountant must be in the committee. The chartered accountant must be in the committee. So one chartered accountant can be selected in 1C1 ways. Chartered accountant is selected 1C1, and the remaining 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9C3. Favorable cases 9C3. So probability is equal to 1C1 into 9C3 divided by 10C4. So this is 9C3 divided by 210, 9C6 divided by 210. 9C6 is equal to 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3. 3 will go 3 times, it will go 4 times. 84. So this is 84 divided by 210. 84 divided by 210. That is the answer to the third question. Now let's see the next question. One more question on committee formation. Question number 2. There are 3 engineers and 3 IAS officers. A committee of 3 is to be formed. Find the probability that at least one engineer and at least one IAS officer is in the committee. Now look at this. How many engineers are there? 3 engineers. IAS officers 3. Total 6. Total 6 officers we have. Now you have to form a committee of 3 members. So total number of cases. 3 officers can be selected. 3 officers can be selected from 6 in 6C3 ways. 6C3 means 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. Numerical difference of these two numbers is 6C3. 6 and 3 is 3. So starting with 6, you write 3 numbers and increasing order. And in the denominator, starting with 1, you write 3 numbers and increasing order. 6 cancel 20. Now favorable cases. Engineers, IAS officers. So we have 3 engineers and 3 IAS officers. You can take 1 and 2 or 2 and 1. This way you can form a committee, 3 members only. So 3C1 into 3C2 plus 3C2 into 3C1. So this is 2 into 3C1 into 3C2. 2 into numerical difference is 2. 3 into 2 by 1 into 2. Numerical difference is 1, 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Favorable cases are 18. So probability is equal to favorable cases to total number of cases. This is 18 divided by 20. 2 will go 9 times, 2 will go 10 times. 9 by 10 is the answer. Next, question number 3, sir. A committee of 5 members is formed out of 5 males and 6 females. Find the probability that the committee consists of first one 3 males and 2 females. Second question, 2 males. Third question, no female. Fourth question, at least 1 female. Fifth question, not more than 3 males. This is my question, sir. Now, how many males and how many females we have? 5 males plus 6 females, total 11 members. When you are calculating total number of cases, concentrate on 11 members. Okay? So, total number of cases. 5 members can be selected. 5 members can be selected from 11. In 11C, 5 is. So 11C5 is equal to 11C6. Numerical difference is 5. 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. By 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. It can be written as 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. 5 numbers starting with 11. 5 numbers you have to write in decreasing order. Okay. So 8 cancel. 3 will go 3 times. 5 will go 2 times. So this is 11 into 6 into 7. 11 into 6 into 7. 462. Total number of cases 462. Now first question. You want 3 males and 2 females. 3 males can be selected from 5. In 5C 3 ways. So 5 into 4 by 1 into 2, 2 will go 2 times 10. 3 males can be selected from 5 in 10 ways. 2 females can be selected from 6 in 6C2 ways. 6C2 is 6C4. 6 into 5 by 1 into 2, 15. So favorable cases are 3 males and 2 females. 10 into 15, 150. So probability is equal to favorable cases to total number of cases. 150 divided by 462. This is the answer. 150 divided by 462. Note down the solution, sir. Now see the second part of the question. Now second part, 2 males are required. 2 males and 3 females. 2 males can be selected from 5 5C2 ways. 2 males can be selected from 5 in 5C2 ways. 6 females can be 3 females can be selected from 6 in 6C3 ways. Again I am repeating, 2 males are required. These 2 males you are selecting from 5 males. This you can do so in 5C2 ways. 3 females you have to select from 6, so 6C3. This can also be written as 5C3 into 6C3. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. 5 2s are 10, 2200. So probability is equal to favorable cases to total number of cases. This is 200 divided by 462. 200 divided by 462. Now, see the third part of the question, no female. No female. It means all the 5 candidates are from 5 only. 5 males can be selected from 5 in 5C5 ways. This is 1. 5C5 number. This can be NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, 5 factorial by 5 minus 5 0 factorial into 5 factorial, 5 factorial by 5 factorial 1. 0 factorial is always 1. We have to take for solving the questions. So 1. No female is equal to probability of F is equal to 0. So this is equal to favorable cases 5C5 into 6C0, 1 into 6C0, 6 factorial by 6 factorial into 0 factorial again 1. This is 1. Probability is equal to 1 by 460. 460. Probability is equal to 1 divided by 460. Now, look at the fourth one. At least one female. Probability of at least one female is equal to 1 minus probability of no female. 1 minus, in the previous part only I solved this one. 1 divided by 462. This is 461 divided by 460. 461 divided by 462. Now, look at the last part of the question. Not more than 3 males. Look at this: males, females. How many males are there? 5 and 6 females. So not more than 3 means 3 or less than 3. So 3 and 2. Otherwise 2 and 1. 2 and 3. Total 5 members are required. Or 1 and 4. Or 0 and 5. So favorable cases: 5C3 into 6C2 plus 5C2 into 6C3 plus 5C1 into 6C4 plus 5C0 into 6C5. Now we have to simplify. 5C3. 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2. 6C2 or 6C4 same. 6C4 means 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 plus 5C2, 5C3 same. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. 5C1 is equal to 5C4. So this is 5. 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. 5C0 or 5C5. So it will go 2 times. 6, 6 cancel. 2, 2, 4 cancel. 25 into 6. 25 into 6. 150. 10 into 20. 200. This is, it will go 3 times. 25 means 75 plus 6. 150 plus 200 plus 75 plus 6. 431. So probability is equal to 431 divided by 460. Probability is 431 divided by 460. Okay, note down the solution. Over. Let's see the next question. A 4-digit number is formed. A 4-digit number is formed by using the digits by using the digits 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9. Find the probability that the number so formed is greater than 7,000 is greater than 7,000. The number so formed is greater than 7,000. This is my question. Okay. Let us see the total number of cases. 4-digit number can be formed. So for a total number of cases, no restrictions are. How many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are given. So 5 numbers are available. This place can be filled in 5 ways. 4 numbers are available. This can be filled in 4 ways. 3 numbers are available 3 ways. 2 numbers are available. This place can be filled in 2 ways. So 5 4s are 20, 60, 120. Total number of cases are 120. Okay. Now let us see favorable cases. I want a number greater than 7,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if thousands place is occupied by 7 or 8 or 9. If thousands place is occupied by 7 or 8 or 9, that number is definitely greater than 7,000. This can be filled in 3 ways. This can be filled in 3 ways. Now, here 4 numbers are available because 1 number I already used here. This can be filled in 4 ways. 3 numbers are available. This can be filled in 3 ways. 2 numbers are available. This can be filled in 2 ways. 3 4s are 12. 12 into 6, 72. So probability is equal to 72 divided by 120. 72 divided by 120. That is the answer to this question. Okay, sir. Note down this. Remaining I'll take up in the next session.